We are at the Iris Station, OC Transpo Station, LRT construction progress. I'm not sure what to call it anymore, but they've diverted everyone. And yeah, so I'm gonna just go around and show you the progress of here. It's changed dramatically because the bridge is done. So the buses are to go that way. This road is open. They got the bike lanes over there. Yeah, give you guys a quick shot. This is probably going to be its own video in itself here. It's pretty cool that they finally got the bridge done. What we just got them paving has already been milled here. Pretty neat. Time to get the drone up.